Alright, gonna cold start some cars here. I have a Mustang, a Super Coupe, and a Taurus, all of which have not been started. It is a beautiful 8 degrees out today. So let's start with this beast. Find the keys for this one. Super Coupe Mustang. This is a 1987 Ford Mustang LX. I don't know if I locked it or not. Now it's unlocked. Sorry for that. Alright. This car has 636.20, so probably 130 or 163. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. Didn't like that. Was that on this whole time? Okay, that was off. Been sitting for a while. It's probably the first time it started. All these gauges. So that's started. Let it run for a few. Why not? Even though it's got next to no gas. Pretty nifty. I don't feel like we're gonna have the same luck with that. Ooh. Uh-oh. This door is frozen. Ah, there we go. And all the snow inside the car. Cool. Brush that out. I have light. It's a good sign. This wouldn't stick. All the snow just coming right in. She's dead. So that ain't starting today. Oh boy. Well, so far we're one. That one's had a bad battery for a while. And why not the Taurus? That's getting ready for her death. Although it runs, has a lot of problems. I do gotta re-hook up the battery though. Alright. And the Taurus. The steering wheel's locked. Let's see. Well, she shows 13. Oh, the steering is locked. You know, I never had an ABS light on this car. Start it up again. Now this car does have its problems. The rust is beyond repairable. I was gonna swap out this motor, but it started. Well, maybe it's not locked, it's just probably a lot of snow. I wonder. Ah, that was just frozen. There we go. Not bad. So unfortunately the Super Coupe is dead. But everything else works. Yeah. It's probably frozen. Ooh. It's a nice icicle. But this thing started nicely. I have a feeling that's also dead. I don't want to start it right now. I like that. I should turn the lights on that one too, but yeah, nice and cold, but hey, they still start.